Hey beautiful viewers, I am back with another video. In this video we are going to learn how to make a responsive Apple sign-in page like this, which is mobile friendly. Grab you coffee and let's get started. All the resources I used in this video are available on my Git. The link is given in the description below. So let's start by creating a folder. In order to get the icons like this, we will use Font Awesome. Font Awesome is an amazing platform to get icon for your website and apps for free. To use these icons, you just have to search for the icon you want in your website and just copy the link from top here. Then paste it on your HTML code. As we added the icons in our HTML page, but in order to display them we need to call Font Awesome in link. So just copy and paste this link I provided and enjoy your icon. Even though we added our logo then too, it's not visible, it is due to the color of our logo. Now create CSS file to add style to our website and link it to your HTML page. Reset all the values like margin, padding, list style and color according to your wish to save some line of code in future. Now we will create the header bar, also called as navigation bar, like this one. Here we will use linear gradient to give it a gradient look as used in the original website. So in linear gradient you have to add color ID of more than one. It's not limited to 2 colors, you can add as many shades you want. Size of our logo is big, so we need to resize it so it can fit under the navigation bar. As from the original site, we can see that their navigation bar is aligned in the center. Here, justify content and align items will do the work for us. Our web page has started looking similar to the original one. Hover is a function. When applied, then the code written under hover will be activated when we hover the object. Here it will be activated when we hover over the navbar link. We assigned the sign-in function a ID called active if we are in sign-in page, so we want to highlight sign-in option on navbar differently, so we will be assigning a different color on this ID. Google Fonts is an open-source online platform which provides a great variety of free fonts to use for your projects or professional work. In order to use it, just select the font of your choice and select all the types of font weight you want, and then copy the first link to header tag in HTML and other link to CSS. Adding padding and border to the input field to make it look like original one. Border radius gives edges of your border a radial curve to make it look amazing. Border none means there will be no border around your object, but you can apply border radius to the background. Using many divisions by adding comma in between applies the effect to all of them. This helps and saves many lines of code by applying same effect to different divisions again and again. Using position as absolute makes the object free to place. You just need to assign the position where you want to place them. Here we have assigned it the distance 3 VH from bottom, so the object will be placed 3 VH from bottom. Now our sign-in page is looking similar to the original one. As we click on the input field, we get a blue colored border. In order to get rid of it, just add outline as none. Just changing color of the button on hover to a lighter shade. Using cursor as pointer under hover will give change mouse arrow to pointer arrow when we hover on the object. Our desktop view for the sign-in page is ready now. But we can see that it is not mobile responsive, so in order to make it responsive, we need to alter the code. Going back to CSS, just add media screen and max width. Max width means till what width you want to apply the code which will be written in it. So the code will be applicable only if the size of the screen is 1023 pixels or low, and as it exceeds the value, then the original code written above will be applied. We will check it by applying display none, so if width is smaller or equal to 1023 pixel, then it won't show anything. You can change all the properties. Let us assume you have written header height as 7VH in the main code, and as it enters mobile mode you want the size to be 5VH, so you have to call the same division as above and just add the size you want, and if you do not call the division, then the size will be same as above. As our size will decrease, the elements in the nav bar will come more closer and will look bad. So here I am adding a burger menu icon and a user icon from Font Awesome. So when our website hits mobile mode, all the nav bar links disappear and this icon should appear instead. This will reduce the piling of nav links and will give a professional look to our page. As said earlier, assigning display as none will make the object disappear. So we will disappear those burger menu icon and user icon and we'll call them when we hit mobile view. Display block will make the disappeared objects appear, so we will make those icons visible in mobile mode and make all other nav links disappear, leaving logo untouched. Here we are done by making mobile mode for the website as well. I hope you understood all things till here. If you have any question, doubt or requests, please feel free to use comment section. And if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, then please do like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.